I'm Steve Dwyer, founder of Edify Hub. In this video, I'll show how to let your accountability partners see your activity on your Mac with Accountable2You, the software I and my family use to help keep us accountable with our internet activity. If you're watching this video, I assume you've already signed up with Accountable2You. If not, visit edifyhub.com/accountability to find the videos on setting up an account for yourself, your family, or your own church, small group, or business. To start monitoring your Mac, visit edifyhub.com/accountability and click the Accountable2You button. Log into your account. Click the Download and Install button, then click Mac. Download and launch the installer. And move it to the Applications folder. Allow any of the permissions it requests. If you still haven't created your account, you could do it from here, but don't forget to use the promo code EdifyHub, all one word, to upgrade to a 30-day free trial instead of the standard 10-day free trial. When you do, Edify Hub will also earn a commission to help us offset the cost of producing videos like this one. Enter the username and password you use to log into Accountable2You and choose a name for this computer. I'll call this one My Mac. If you signed in as the administrator of a family account, you may also be asked to select which family member should be associated with activity on this Mac. Confirm that you still agree with the terms. You could start setting up your accountability partners, but we'll cover that in a later video, so I'll click Later. Accountable2You uses Mac's accessibility features to see your activity. That's one way it avoids slowing down your computer or causing any problems with your internet connection. To let it do its thing, click Open Accessibility Settings, and then grant it permission to actually open the settings. Unlock the settings, and check the box for Accountable2You. Close the settings window when you're done. Now you see the Accountable2You icon in the menu bar. If there are certain apps that manage confidential information but don't allow access to inappropriate content, you may choose to exclude those apps. You can start that process by choosing Application Exclusion List from the Accountable2You menu icon. Enter your password and click the plus button. Find the applications you want to exclude, such as a password manager, and check their boxes. Click Add when you're done. And this Mac is now connected with your Accountable2You account. If you have more than one user account available on your Mac, you'll need to install the app for each user account. You can give each one a different computer name to help you track what activity comes from which user account. If you need to install Accountable2You on other devices, visit edifyhub.com/accountability/install to find other installation videos. If you're ready to set up your accountability partners, visit edifyhub.com/accountability/partners. And if you want to see what the accountability reports look like, visit edifyhub.com/accountability/reports.